A very good morning, dear children. Children, today you will do the English work in your workbook, Flyer, Sunglow English. Okay? So take out this workbook and your pencil eraser. If you have taken out all the things, just open your workbook to page number 35. This is page number 35, and
in this page you will learn about article an.
Articles A and an. Let's read here. What is written in the caption? The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. As you know that when a word begins with a vowel, we use an before it. Okay, children?
Children, we use an with singular noun. Noun means person, place or things. And we always use an before a word which starts with a vowel sound. Okay?
Read here. This is an orange. This is a picture of an orange. And what is written here? Here is written an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. See, the word orange starts with a vowel. Before a vowel, always an comes. Okay?
An orange.
Use an before a word which starts with a vowel sound. So the word orange starts with vowel sound. So it is what is written here? An orange. Same thing here also. An egg. E is also a vowel. So what is written here? An is written here before the egg. Apple is also a vowel sound. So what is written here? Here is written an before apple. This is picture of an umbrella. U is a vowel. So an is written here before umbrella. Ant is also starts with vowel. An is written before it. An ink pot. Ink pot starts with a vowel. I is a vowel. Word ink pot starts with a vowel and I is a vowel. So what is written here before it? An is written here before a word which starts with a vowel.
An ink pot.
See the next picture. This is an ape. What is written here before ape? An, because A is a vowel. What is written here? Elephant. The word elephant starts with E. So E is a vowel. So before it, what is written here? Article an is written here. And this is a ice box. Ice box also starts with I sound. So I is a vowel. So what is written here? Here is written an. You can see that. Okay. So we have read this page. Now
turn to next page.
All the letters of alphabet except the vowels are called consonants. As I told you before, we use a when the first letter of word sounds like consonants. See, this is the picture of a bus. The word bus starts with a consonant. Before the bus, what is written here? Here is written a. A balloon. A cycle. Balloon starts with consonant. Cycle starts with a consonant C. C is also a consonant. You know that. A dog. Dog. D is also a consonant. That's why A is written before dog. A fan. Fan is also a consonant. So what is written here? Here is written A before fan. G is also a consonant. So what is written here? A is written here before girl. A house. House starts with H. H is also a consonant. So what is written here before house? A. Jug. J is also a consonant. So what is written here? Here is written A before jug. Kitten starts with K and K is a consonant. So A is written before the word kitten. Okay? Children, we have read about A and an on the page number 35 and 36.
Now we will do an exercise related to the same topic on the page number 37.
So read the instructions on the page number 37. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Okay? A. I am eating dash orange. Orange starts with a vowel. O is a vowel. So we will write here A and an because this word starts with a vowel and we use an before a vowel word. Okay? Now read the second sentence. Let us go to dash park to play. So children, P is a consonant. So we will write here A. Park starts with a consonant and P is a consonant. So we have written here A. Ram has dash big house. Big also starts with consonant. So we will write here A. My sister is eating dash egg. Egg starts with a vowel, so we will write here A-N-N. Okay?
Sentence is, my sister is eating an egg.
See the next one. E. Reena sent dash letter to her friend. So letter starts with a consonant. L is a consonant, so we will write here A. Okay? Now see the F. We went to dash island last month. So island starts with I. So I is a vowel, so we'll write here A-N-N.
Sentence was, we went to the island last month. Now see the next sentence. G.
Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So before this word apple, we will write an here because A is a vowel. So we'll write here with capital letter because it's the first word of the sentence. So this is the first word of the sentence, and we always start a sentence with a capital letter. So I have written here capital A. An. Okay? Like this.
The sentence is, an apple day keeps the doctor away.
Now see H. My father gifted me dash red car. Red starts with a consonant. R is a consonant, so we'll write here A. My father gifted me a red car. Okay? See the next I. I saw dash aeroplane flying over my house. So the word aeroplane starts with a vowel. A is a vowel, so we'll write here an. Article an. Okay? Now see the next J. This is dash very good storybook.
Before very, we will write A.
Because V is a consonant. Fine?
The sentence is, this is a very good storybook.
Now see the next K. My uncle is dash artist. The word artist start with a vowel A. So we'll write here an.
The sentence was, my uncle is an artist.
Read the last sentence. L. Abu is dash very famous player. The word very starts with a consonant. V is a consonant, so we'll write here A. Fine?
The sentence was, Abu is a very famous player.
So we have done this exercise of article A and an here on the page number 37. In the same way, you will do this exercise in this workbook, Fly Up Sunglow English. Okay? And children, learn the use of A and an from the notebook also. Thank you. Bye-bye.